Time up for Zvigananda, declares Comrade Bombshell. The 21st of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, outspoken war veteran Blessed Runsu Geza has intensified his attacks on ZANU-PF elites, declaring that the group he calls Zvigananda will soon face prosecution for looting state resources. In a hard-hitting statement issued on Friday night, Geza directly accused President Emerson Mnangagwa of secretly working with controversial business tycoons KUTYA Tagwari and Wicknell Chivio to drain public coffers. I am sure you are witnessing what is happening. Mnangagwa is going soon. Time is up for Zvigananda. We commend Vice President Constantino Chiwenga for calling for the arrest of Zvigananda, Geza said. He went further to predict betrayal within the highest ranks of power. Mnangagwa will ditch Zvigananda very soon. That's his problem. He is known for abandoning his cronies, Geza charged. The war veteran also cast doubt on Mnangagwa's credibility, recalling past events within ZANU-PF's history. We know that Mnangagwa can't be trusted. He is cunning. General Chiwenga even declined the offer he had been given by Robert Mugabe to rule. Mnangagwa has forgotten already, he said. Geza insisted that Mnangagwa's current alliances were purely for self-enrichment. Emerson is working with KUTYA Tagwari and Zvigananda to plunder state funds, he declared. Geza's remarks come at a time of growing discontent within ZANU-PF, where allegations of corruption, mismanagement of resources, and factional battles continue to dominate the political landscape. The outspoken veteran's warnings add to mounting pressure on the ruling party, highlighting the widening rift between military-backed leadership and powerful business elites who have long influenced political decision-making.